Effectively managing everyday expenses is not just a financial necessity, but a crucial skill, especially when the cost of living has been significantly increasing. By adopting a strategic approach and committing to smart financial daily habits, you can take large steps towards your financial journey goals. Welcome to Forever Finance, the channel dedicated to equipping you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions on your path to success. Let's take a look at 10 practical ways that we can all save on our daily expenses. Stick around to see the easy savings from numbers 6 and 7. And please remember, nothing I say in this video is considered financial advice. The first way we will look at is one that many of us know about, but few are doing: tracking your income and categorizing your expenses. Recent data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics indicates that the average weekly household expenditure is over $1,400. By creating a comprehensive budget, not only can you identify areas to cut back, but you can also gain better control over your finances, make informed financial decisions, and potentially uncover hidden saving opportunities. It is important that we always approach the idea of a budget with an open mindset. People often fail to create or follow their budget because they view it as something that restricts them or something that tells them when they can't spend their own money. A budget is a great tool that highlights where you have additional funds, but also has the psychological benefit of easing our minds when it comes to spending. And when it comes to your financial journey, the sleep at night factor is something that can keep us all on our financial journeys. The next daily money-saving idea is to reduce eating out and embrace meal prepping. The impact of eating out regularly on one's budget is substantial, with the average Australian household spending approximately $94 per week on restaurant meals, as reported by the Australian Food Statistics. Planning meals, creating shopping lists, and cooking at home not only contribute to healthier choices, but also significantly reduce your grocery bill. Consider exploring diverse cooking styles, incorporating meal prep strategies, and experimenting with budget-friendly recipes to maximize your savings. A bonus money-saving tip here is to click and collect your groceries. This saves you money in multiple ways, as you can budget precisely how much your shop will cost you. And because your shop is already done by the time you get to the supermarket, you will avoid impulse buying. The money saving is only half of the bonus here. It saves you time. Our third daily money-saving tip is to review or cut down on your subscriptions. Subscription services have become an integral part of modern living, with Australians spending an average of $42 per month on streaming services alone, according to a recent survey by the Australian Communications and Media Authority. Regularly assessing your subscriptions, canceling unused ones, and finding alternatives or bundled services are not only prudent financial decisions but also proactive steps toward freeing up finances to go towards achieving your financial journey goals. You will be surprised when you find out how many unused subscriptions you are paying for. Utility bills constitute a significant portion of household expenses, with the average quarterly electricity bill in Australia hovering around $337, as per the Australian Energy Regulator. And these prices continue to climb. Implementing energy-saving practices, such as investing in energy-efficient appliances and making lifestyle adjustments, can result in tangible savings. Consider exploring renewable energy options, such as solar panels, to potentially offset and reduce your overall utility costs in the long run. Modern technology can also help us here. Utilizing smart home appliances has been shown to help reduce power and water bills. Our next money-saving tip covers another cost of living that continues to increase: transportation costs. The average weekly fuel cost in Australia at approximately $66 can be a considerable strain on our budgets. This strain increases even further if you have more than one car. Exploring buses or trains, carpooling, or cycling for shorter distances can substantially cut down on these expenses. If you operate more than one car, consider if you can go with a single car for a period of time. With the increasing popularity of remote work, reassessing your commuting needs and potentially working from home can further contribute to significant savings in both time and money. Our sixth tip can make significant savings. Grocery expenses, averaging $11,440 per year for Australians, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, offer ample opportunities for savings. Beyond comparing prices and using loyalty programs, consider adopting more advanced strategies such as cashback apps and bulk buying to optimize your grocery spending. According to foodbank.org, the average Australian household wastes almost $4,000 on food every year. That is a lot of potential savings, just from one aspect of this tip. Keep an eye on seasonal sales and promotional events to maximize your purchasing power. By planning your bigger purchases ahead of time, you can see significant savings. By waiting for big sales like Black Friday or end of financial year sales, you can free up money to put towards other areas of your budget or financial activities. When it comes to your financial journey, insurance is a necessary expense, but it doesn't have to be exorbitant. Our next tip is to always check on your insurance. Recent studies have shown that the average Australian can save up to $1,200 per year by reviewing their insurance. Periodically reviewing your policies, seeking quotes from multiple providers, changing your payment schedule, and considering bundling policies for potential discounts can result in substantial savings without compromising coverage. Exploring policy adjustments such as increasing deductibles or opting for pay-as-you-go options can further tailor your insurance costs to your financial needs. Our eighth tip looks at our phones and internet. While staying connected is crucial, there's room for substantial savings in your communication expenses. Australians spend an average of $33 per month on phone services and $65 on internet services. Beyond reviewing your plans, exploring alternative providers, looking at having your plans combined with the same brand, and negotiating for better deals, consider adopting more cost-effective communication strategies, such as using voice over internet protocol for calls or leveraging free messaging apps to reduce your reliance on traditional communication services. If you are a homeowner, our ninth tip can be a game changer for your financial journey. Minor home repairs and maintenance tasks can quickly accumulate costs if outsourced to professionals. Learning basic DIY skills not only empowers you to address these tasks but also contributes to significant cost savings. For instance, hiring a plumber can cost around $80 to $160 per hour, while fixing a leak yourself incurs minimal expenses consisting primarily of materials. Beyond basic plumbing, consider acquiring skills in carpentry and general home maintenance to further expand your DIY capabilities and savings potential. This can also be a valuable skill that could be used to generate an income in the future. The Australian government offers various benefits and rebates designed to assist citizens financially. The family tax benefit, for example, can provide significant financial relief. Familiarize yourself with available programs, check your eligibility regularly, and proactively take advantage of initiatives that align with your financial goals. Beyond traditional benefits, explore additional avenues, such as grants and subsidies, that may contribute to your overall financial well-being. If you have a mortgage, consider reaching out to your financial institute for assistance. These companies want you to keep your mortgage with them, so many of them will offer financial assistance in the form of interest-only periods, payment deferrals, and many other options. Saving money on everyday expenses demands more than a cursory approach. It requires a comprehensive strategy supported by detailed examples and statistics. None of the tips we spoke about today will result in significant increases in wealth, but by adopting a combination or varying levels of these 10 strategies, we can improve our quality of life and mindset right now while we strive to achieve our financial journey goals. Always remember, financial success is well within your reach, and with the right knowledge and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Forever Finance to stay updated with more valuable content. Please consider liking this video to help it reach more people. If you have any topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time on Forever Finance.